Hello dear children, how are you all? Now today we are going to learn unit number 3, read number 2, stress control exercises. When we are very much tense, when we are in sadness, upsetness or feel tiredness, at that time we should follow this type of exercises, and then when half of the problem we relate, because what happen when we are in stressful, we can't understand that what happens, but we can't concentrate, we are unable to concentrate on any point on our deeds. So follow the stress control exercises, unit number 3, read number 2. Now we have this kind of 4 major exercises which are very much important. First is meditation. Obviously this in this point there are two types of short meditation: short meditation 1 and short meditation 2. In short meditation 1, what we should meditate on your chosen word. Suppose we have many positive words like harmony, tranquility, serenity, peace, relax. On from these words we should select any one and concentrate on it, meditate on it, close your eyes and meditate on this word. After that you feel relaxed. Now short meditation 2. In this way, in this technique, pick a material of paper, pick a material of fabric, pick a material of wood, pick a material of stone, anything, and we apply on that material. Explore the structure, learn about that structure, learn about that material, and at that time we should differentiate or distinguish our mind on another point. And at that time what happen, in our originality, in our original life, in our reality, we forget our stress for some time, and uh, it creates relaxation for us. Now second stress control exercises is give your brain oxygen hit. Give your brain oxygen hit by this technique of rub both of your hands together, for a moment, and create energy, and close your eyes and put your fingers on your eyes. And for repeating this way, this technique, we feel relaxed and calm, and we remove our anxiety or excitement or anger. So stress control exercises in this way, it is very essential and important and beneficial. Now third stress control exercises is the crown pull. What happen in the crown pull? Crown pull. Pull means what? Place both of your hands on your head, on your top of the head, on your back of the head, and press with the fingers on your head. Press your fingers and close your eyes and deep breathing. Do deep breathing, and at that time what happen, when you close your eyes you feel relaxed by pressing your fingers on the top, on the back side of the head, etc. So we feel relaxed for doing these stress control exercises of the crown pull. Now last is the mental quick fixes. Quick fixes means when we feel stressful or we are unable to concentrate on any point, at that time what we should do, we should do mental quick exercises like singing, music, walking, running, play any musical instrument. At that time we should observe, or we should walk in the nature, observe the nature, observe the leaves and trees and flowers and animals and birds, and listen this kind of music also, and singing also, and delete the fresh from your dictionary, from your mind, that I can't do this, delete this fresh. Especially first of all you should do that, and I am something, we are something, and we can do anything. This type of positive manner develop. You should develop this kind of positive manner. So when we feel stress, we can't understand first of all what happened, but we are very confused. We are unable to concentrate, or we become lazy At that time we follow these stress control exercises. So these are the four techniques, and we should understand, we are going to learn this in deep. Now students, see the next step of stress control exercises of first technique, short meditation 1 and short meditation 2. What should we do in short meditation 1? Be comfortable and relax by close your eyes. First of all, you should close your eyes and feel calmness by this, pronounce this word many times. First of all, harmony, tranquility, peace, relaxation, and then serenity. You should speak these peaceful words or positive words in your silence. So close your eyes and speak these words. From choose any word and speak one by one word and feel relaxed and comfortable. So at this type of control exercises, you feel very much calm and remove your anger from your mind. And after that, what should we do? Meditate on that word, any choosing that word, and visualize like projecting any film. Visualize this word, feel like that you should go in the other word and visualize the scene or in the nature, and imagine what would you do, what would you wish. Imagine that type of heaven or that type of scene and experience it inside. Experience this in inside. So after these exercises, you feel relax and remove your stress by this speaking. First of all, harmony, એકરાગીતા, tranquility એટલે અત્યંત અપાર એકદમ શાંતિ, peace again શાંતિ, relaxation હળવાશ, and serenity. Serenity means તમને જે કંઈ પણ ગમતું હોય અને તમને મળે, it is called as serenity. Now meditate on this any word, visualize this, projecting it. Now short meditation 2. In this technique, what should you do? By this, doing this technique, you should choose or you should take any material like paper material, fabric material, wood material, or stone, etc. So pick up or choose any one and explore and touch it. Explore it for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and spend your precious time into doing the exploration. Try to know about that material and try to know the knowledge or explore at least 2 minutes on this wood, paper, or any fabric. So by doing this short meditation too, you can relax and you can be comfortable. Okay, now we can get the second technique for stress control exercises. So please note down this point in your notebook also. Now, after getting the knowledge about short meditation 1 and short meditation 2, we should try to acknowledge about give your brain oxygen hit. By doing this, we can feel relaxation. Half the problem with being stressed and unable to concentrate, we can't concentrate on our deeds or work properly, is that you don't breathe deeply at the time of stressful or upsetness. જ્યારે તમે upset હો ત્યારે બહુ જ ડીપમાં બ્રીથ લેવાની જરૂર નથી. You should breathe shallow. You should breathe shallow. એકદમ હળવાશભર્યો તમારે શ્વાસ લેવાનો છે. બહુ જ ડીપ ઊંડો શ્વાસ નથી લેવાનો. Enough to supply your brain with sufficient oxygen. Sufficient oxygen મળી રહે એ જ પર્પઝને માટે માપનો જ ધીમે ધીમે જ શ્વાસ લેવાનો છે. Now doing this activity or technique for stress control exercises, rub both your hands together for a moment. બરાબર, બંને હાથ તમારે ઘસવાના છે, રબ કરવાના છે. જેમ આપણે વિન્ટરની અંદર બે હાથ ઘસીએ અને પછી આપણે એને આંખ ઉપર કે હેડ ઉપર નાખીએ એ રીતે. To create energy, place your palms one on the top of the other on the area just below your navel. જસ્ટ બિલો યોર નેવલ, બરાબર, નેવલની નીચે તમારે જે રબ કરવાનું છે, અલગ અલગ જગ્યાએ તમે મૂકી શકો એને, બરાબર છે, નેવલ પાસે પણ તમારાથી મૂકાશે. નાવ બ્રીથ ઇનટુ યોર બેલી, અને બેલીમાંથી તમારે બ્રીથ કરતાં કરતાં આવવાનું છે, સ્ટમકમાંથી. એન્ડ ધેન ગીવ યોર બ્રેન ઓક્સિજન હિટ એન્ડ ડિરેક્ટલી યુ ફીલ calmness, બરાબર. Now the fourth is the crown pull exercise. Crown pull exercise, you know the meaning of crown, and in this exercise place your hands on your fingers on your hairline and the top of the middle, press it and repeat it. Now in the middle of the head, place your hand and press it. Now after sometimes on the back side, after the middle line, back forward on the head, press your head with your fingers and hand or palm. It feels relax, and close your eyes also, because what happen when you are very much tense, so one kind of cerebral fluid in your brain and spine, આ એક પ્રકારનું બ્રેઇન અને સ્પાઇનની વચ્ચે આવેલું એક સેરેબ્રોસ્પાઇનલ ફ્લુઇડ છે, મસ્તિષ્ક મેરુનું એક લિક્વિડ આવે વન કાઇન્ડ ઓફ, અને એ ધીમે ધીમે જે સર્ક્યુલેટ થતું હોય એ સર્ક્યુલેટ થતું સ્લો થઈ જાય, ઓછું થઈ જાય, બિકોઝ ઓફ ટેન્સ મેનર, બિકોઝ ઓફ ટેન્શન, બિકોઝ ઓફ એન્ઝાઇટી, બિકોઝ ઓફ સ્ટ્રેસ ઇન યોર mind. So first of all, calm your nervous systems, calm your body, feel relaxed, feel comfortable, and follow these situations, follow this technique. Place both of your hands with your fingers on your head, on the top of the head. Now after some time, after 2 or 3 minutes, at the middle line, place your hand and press it on your middle head. Now on the back forward, press it with your palm, with your hand, and repeat it many times. And what happen? The flow of cerebral fluid in your brain and spine, it feels relaxed, and it going on in a positive way. So it is the beneficial, that flow of cerebral fluid in the positive aspects. So follow these crown pull exercises also. Now the fifth exercise. Now see the last exercise, which is very essential, and it is the mental quick fixes, and it is very much essential for controlling our stress. And this is the exercise, it will be asked in the exam also. So what should we do for relaxation, for calmness, for be comfortable? Listen music, what you wish, what you want, what you like to do. So listen music and be happy. And suppose close your door of the room and dance on that music, on that song. Now next, get a fish tank and see and observe the swimming fish. So it is the beneficial for rebalance your balance, rebalance your brain, rebalance on the right side of the brain also. Now write down all your worries on a paper and recall that I don't have any kind of worry of this life. So when you write down your all worries on the paper, you feel relaxed, because it delete from your mind. Suppose at some extent, walk in the nature, go in the nature and walk and observe the nature and get attainment. Now observe the nature. After that, concentrate on the right side, concentrate on the right points, what you have experienced in your life. Sing in the bathroom, sing in the washroom, sing in the bathroom, and take the shampoo bottle and use as your microphone and sing a song and feel relaxed. Write few lines with your other hand. Suppose you are write down in the right hand, so use the left hand for your writing on any words or on any topic. Now the main thing, and which is the last, that delete the fresh I can't. So in your mind, suppose you are in the negative situations, and remove this fresh I can't do nothing. or I can't do anything. So remove this idea, remove this negativity and get the positive ideas. So because we know that mistakes are okay. Nobody is perfect in this world. So don't worry, don't hesitate to do anything and feel relaxed. So benefits of these exercises or this technique is rebalance your brain, and this allows your mind to calm down, to feel relaxed and rebalance the two hemisphere of the brain. There are two hemisphere in the brain, and it is rebalanced by this technique. Now expect to be lucky, expect to be very much lucky on this world, that I am very important person on this earth, and without me I nothing. I am the best friend of mine. So feel like that, and it is very beneficial for your own life also. So please study regarding your exams also, because in the exams there are 3 points which will be asked in the exam. First is title of the read, એટલે આ બધા વર્ડ્સ પરથી તમને ખબર પડવી જોઈએ કે આ મેનેજ યોર સ્ટ્રેસ અને સ્ટ્રેસ કંટ્રોલ એક્સરસાઇઝીસ બંનેના પાર્ટ જુદા છે. ભલે સ્ટ્રેસ શબ્દ કોમન છે, પણ એની અંદર તમે એકવાર આખું ચેપ્ટર રીડિંગ કરશો તો તમને બરાબર સમજ પડી જશે. અને આ ટોપિકને તમે વારંવાર ખાલી ટુ ધી પોઈન્ટ જોશો તો તમારાથી શોર્ટ નોટ લખાશે. મેનેજ યોર સ્ટ્રેસમાં મેનેજ યોર સ્ટ્રેસ, અને સ્ટ્રેસ કંટ્રોલ એક્સરસાઇઝીસમાં સ્ટ્રેસ કંટ્રોલ એક્સરસાઇઝીસ. તો આ બે શોર્ટ નોટ છે, અને એ બેની અંદર બધા નાના નાના ટોપિક છે. તો એ નાના ટોપિકમાંથી પણ કોઈ શોર્ટ નોટ પૂછી શકાય. અને કોમ્પ્રિહેન્શન અથવા તો એમસીક્યુ, કોમ્પ્રિહેન્શન પાર્ટ બીમાં અને એમસીક્યુ ટેક્સ્ટબુકની અંદર જે પાર્ટ એ છે ટેક્સ્ટબુકમાંથી કોઈ પણ લાઈન તમને બ્લેન્કના સ્વરૂપે કે ક્વેશ્ચનના સ્વરૂપે એમસીક્યુમાં 8 માર્કમાં તે પૂછાય. તેની અંદર 5 જે ક્વેશ્ચન છે પ્રોઝના છે, તો એ પ્રોઝમાંથી આ 2 ચેપ્ટર બોર્ડ પરીક્ષા માટે ખૂબ જ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે. સો રાઇટ ઇટ, લર્ન ઇટ એન્ડ શેર મી યોર queries. Okay, goodbye, have a nice day.